What I have here is 2 glasses of water. Now into this one here, I'm going to put some ice. And maybe when you've been on holiday, maybe in a hot country, you might have noticed that when you've got a glass of iced water, that something rather strange happens. After a minute or two, you start to get a bit of cloudiness on the outside of the cup of water. Condensation, just like you'll get condensation on your windows or the mirrors in your bathroom or your shower screen. It's happening here. I can see the condensation forming on the side of this glass. This glass is getting a little cloudier and I can feel it on my fingers. You can hopefully see it in the video. I'm going to show you what happens when we burn a gas such as methane. And I'm going to pour in this water here. Instantly you'll start to see some condensation on the side of the pan. The pan will start to get cloudy, and even although the flame is hot, it starts to get cloudy. See, we've got a line here where the water is cool inside the pan. Just like the glass became cloudy, the pan is becoming cloudy. It's becoming covered in condensation. Now it's happening much faster here, really much faster, and there's lots of water coming off this. The glass became cloudy because there was a little bit of water vapour in the air. The water vapour in the air is a gas. It hits the cold surface of the glass and it becomes liquid water, condensation. It's happening much faster here because the flame is actually burning the gas and is actually making more water vapour. The water vapour is condensing on the side of this metal pan. Now eventually the pan will become too hot and the water will start to evaporate again. But in the meantime, there is a great deal of water on the side of this pan. That water is coming from the flame. The flame underneath the pan is burning methane gas. Methane is a hydrocarbon. It is a formula of CH4, one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms in a small molecule of methane. And when methane burns, the hydrogens become hydrogen oxide, or if you like its formula, H2O, water. Hydrogen oxide's formula is H2O, or water. Water is produced when methane gas burns. And in fact, water is produced when any hydrocarbon burns. So this water on the side of the pan is being produced by the flame. The water vapour in the flame is condensing on the side of the pan, becoming water, liquid. Gradually it becomes less because the pan becomes hotter. You can see it here actually very clearly. Beginning to disappear because the pan is becoming hot. The ice that I poured into the pan is all but disappeared now. There's a few bubbles at the bottom. This little experiment proves the fact that when methane burns, water is produced.